Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming rights. Open YouTube audio library and check the license type, free, attribution required, or restricted. Once you find a candidate, preview it to match mood and tempo to your footage. Download the original file and immediately save metadata, title, artist, license terms, so you can add credits later. Make sure to keep a copy in your project folder, and if attribution is required, draft the credit line now so you won't forget it during export. You import the track into your editor and place it on the timeline aligned with your primary footage. Once done, cut to musical phrases. Avoid slicing mid-beat so transitions feel natural. Apply fades and sidechain ducking to preserve dialogue clarity. Use EQ to remove competing lows or harsh highs. Make frame-accurate edits and test playback at normal listening levels. If the music still overpowers speech, reduce overall gain in 1 dB increments until you hear both clearly without distortion. You render the final video using recommended codecs and set loudness to YouTube standards. Aim for about -14 LUFS to avoid auto-normalization. Once exported, paste the exact attribution text into the video description and add an on-screen credit if the license asks. If YouTube flags or claims the audio, gather your saved license metadata and submit a dispute with proof. Alternatively, mute or replace the track and reupload. Keep backups and a clear audit trail so you can resolve issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.